Zina and Yesha here.
Open the door.
हम वसूली करने आए हैं.
It's 7:35 and I'm ready. My friend is about to pick me up. After 6 years of staying in Bombay, I've never been to Alibaug. And today is the first time I'm going. It's a friend's cottage which is also an Airbnb, so I'm very excited to show you. We are on our way to Alibaug now.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi, sir.
So?
Hi. Say hi to my vlog.
So as a kid, I would watch this show called Shh, Fir Koi Hai. One episode where,
नदी के पार जाना अलाउड नहीं था क्योंकि नदी में जो डेड बॉडीज होती थी वो जिंदा हो जाती थी. McDonald's in 5 minutes.
So this is their container house. There are 4 dogs here. It's so quaint. And there are games here. This cozy little bed. I've taken a 10-minute nap here. I need some more nap, probably after lunch. And some guests left their balloons here. So this is the quaint little cottage in which Yesha and I are going to stay for tonight. It's lunchtime.
Hello, Didi.
Hi,
So people can't eat this, kya? People can't eat this, kya, Yesha? Some wild fruit. It's so hot.
God, I'm so sleepy. Had a very heavy meal and I'm gonna get some water, relax for a bit in the cottage. Not sure about our plans for tonight, just relaxing in nature away from the Bombay hustle and bustle.
So I really love Airbnb. It's such a fun app because you get to meet so many people and you get to interact with so many people from different paths and different walks of life. And they have this brand Mavi's Kombucha, and they stayed with us. They had a lovely time. They also have a dog, I believe, and they sent us lots of kombucha to try. So you really make friends with the guests who's come and stay here. So I think that's what I really, really enjoy. And I would love to know more people.
Whole point. Like, relax, having tea. Or, yeah, it's very hot. Looking good.
This looks quite close. Now we can swim now.
Goes from here. I can't swim and save my life. So, getting rid of my bad Gemini trait of being confused. Yesha helped me order.
I helped her out even though I'm a pure vegetarian. I know nothing about fish and seafood.
She helped
but
me
I
order.
still-
What did I order? I've forgotten also.
Some
Some
Suleiman or
surmai.
some-
Suleiman? Surmai.
I don't know the
Surmai, I
names.
guess, no?
Yeah,
Surmai fish coated with rava.
Yeah, whatever that is.
Oh, they put mushrooms also in this. Yummy, yummy, full tummy. Good morning. We just had tea. We took an 8-hour long nap, and we slept at 2 last night watching Legally Blonde, which was my second time watching it, and I didn't know there was a second part too. And I'm going to watch that with Yesha again. So I don't know what's happening since yesterday. Every message I'm getting is about people trying to fleece me. They want me to be the intern. Really? After I've done 2 works of being an assistant director, you want me as your intern? Okay. Then somebody was saying that, our brand is going to add so much to your CV. Then where's the money? Where's the money? I'm not doing anything for free. Anyway, I've come to Alibag to relax and take a chill pill with my lovely friends. And we are going to head out for breakfast. We're going to have misal pav, if I'm pronouncing misal correctly. And so cute.
I'm going to open these pizza flavored chips.
Just exploring the different beautiful villas around.
He's got an extra gate.
Extra gate. There's this auntie whose villa is here, and Yesha goes and says hi to her. So we're just gonna experiment and see if I get to see hi, because the bungalow is very pretty. Hello, Zina and Yesha here.
Open the door.
हम वसूली करने आए हैं. And I are looking like robbers.
Like robbers. Standing outside the house.
But there's no bell in this house, so I don't know. I guess we just need to go back. Now we're going to explore a nursery close by. What's this? Yeah, another nimbu.
आहे. सफेद जाम, लाल जाम, हिरवा जाम. पण ते आता तुम्हाला देणार मागे बघा. हा तो आहे पण तो आता जमिनीत आहेत ती झाडं. बदाम आहे तो.
Oh, badam tree. Wow.
कितना टाइम लगेगा इतना बड़े होने में?
2-3 बरस के होणार का व्यवस्थित जर खाद्य असेल तर.
Can I steal this, Yesha? You can. Wow.
You know, no shortcuts. It's about diligence.
Papaya leaves. See, even without filter, everything, all the colors are so beautiful. To steal the fruit because Sir bought the plant. So now I can break it. I think I didn't break it properly. We get cold coffee there.
No, we won't get cold coffee. Zina, we're going to Joshi Vade Wale. Okay. Don't expect cold coffee there.
To my surprise, I have found a cold coffee place and it looks so cute. These are all their options. Gonna get the cold coffee.
Time to go back to Bombay. It was such a relaxing trip, and thank you for watching.